That's where the crack was at on the top of it. Right here, you see that? See that crack up in there? That's not supposed to be like that. So that's the reason why. That crack right there. Alright, we got the radiator we're gonna remove on this 2004 Ford Expedition. So we're going to take this out here, that out right there, with this nut here. Check. Alright, so now we didn't got all that shit off. We didn't took the grill off. We took the grill off the front of the car. We took the vent, all that shit off. Now, so this is nothing but a little clamp for the fan, little shit. So we're gonna take this top hose off. This hose here and that hose there. So give me a second. Okay, y'all see, we got the grill off. We took the little plastic cover off for the fan. That shit's out. We took this out. We took the top radiator hose off. Now we got to get into the thermostat. The thermostat, which is here, is 2 screws. You got 1 screw here on this side, 1 screw on this side. It's a 3. This here, them 3 holes. This is a little bracket. Once we take that bracket off, we can get to that thermostat. The tubes is all right here. The grill's off right there. This is all the air ventilation thing for the air. A little bit of fluid that was left over there. Here goes the radiator. Fucking this the fan. The fan cover for the radiator. And this the radiator right here. You're here to see what I was talking about as far as what's leaking. Yeah, we took out this transmission line. This is 1. And this is another one here, which is 2. Yeah, we took off the hose. Pretty much that's it to get to that radiator. This is all the radiator fluid just spilled out. And that's pretty much it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that off and we're gonna get to the thermostat after we take those 2 off. And then we're gonna wait till 8 o'clock until AutoZone or Craig Auto or Rally's, whichever one open. But right now it's currently 6:45, it's not even 7 a.m. We got an early start because it gets kind of hot out here, so we're trying to beat the heat. I'll tune back into you once we got the parts and get ready to install.
Halfway open, it busted that hose. And then when we fixed that hose, it forced it to come open even more.
Yeah, so there's a thermostat. We just took off the housing, which goes like this. Just in case you guys don't know, for the YouTubers. The bracket, took the screw off to the top bracket. Once you got that out, 2 screws on the side, you take it out. But as you can see, it's rusted out. So once we take that out and put the new one in, so this probably stopping the water flow. Oh yeah, it's rusted in there. You gotta use a flat. That's when you know it's rusted, because it's supposed to just lift up. I want y'all to see how hard it is for him to get it to lift up. To show you it's rusted in there. It's rusted shut. Look at that. Damn, it ain't supposed to be that hard, bro. Okay, so yeah, look at that. It's rusted out. Oh yeah, it's rusted out. Even a seal. This is what they call. Oh shit, hold on. Sorry about that. This is for the YouTubers. This is what they call an O-ring. Anytime you change your thermostat, you need to put an O-ring on top, because this O-ring is what keeps the water from going through. If you put it on without the O-ring, you might have a leak. You don't need no silicone, you don't need nothing around there. You don't need that. The reason why you don't need that is because you had an O-ring, which is a washer, but the correct term is an O-ring, but it's a washer too. That's it. Alright, you're gonna see me do that shit right quick. Y'all gonna see me put this on right quick. What it is. Just go on the edge then, son. Just go on the edge then, son. Set it back right there like that, son. Then you can bring that part right here. Back up underneath here. Then back up underneath this bracket right here. Then them line them holes up. Alright, cool. Let me see them 2 bolts. The 2 bolts into that. Is it the long ones? Right down for? Yeah, I had to. Yeah, them 2 long ones there, yeah. It's only 2 bolts. Yeah. This one go on the top. Yeah, that's for the top little bracket. That bolt and that bolt. This one here. This for the top little bracket. This for the top is in the back of the box, as you can see. We got that cracking. That's the old one. That's the new one. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, can you see it? Yeah, let's see, can you see it? I'll see it. Brand new radiator. That's the old one. Oh, I wanted to show y'all what a crack was on that old radiator. This was so fucked up. It was so messed up. Oh. It is. This where the crack was at on the top of it. Radiator, you see that? See that crack up in there? That's not supposed to be like that. Alright, brand new. That's the brand new ski. That's the brand new ski. Brand spanking new. Still got the tag on that thing. That thing looks good. Oh yeah. Alright, as you guys can see, we got the brand new radiator in. Only thing I have to do is hook up this transmission cooler line here, this transmission cooler line here, and then this hose. This hose right here goes here, which is the bottom radiator hose. Once you put that on there, and you put that cooler line there, and this cooler line here, we should be all done. And we just tighten it up and clamp it all up. So I want you guys to see what we did so far. And we got to put the grill back on too. Once we put the grill back on, everything be done. But here's the radiator, here's the finished job. We got the radiator in there, we got the top hose in there, the other hose, we got the cover to the fan in there, we got the thermostat top radiator hose. We just got to put the vent, change the other filter, and that shit's done. So done data. So I'm gonna tap back in with you. We got it all buttoned up. Anything on there? Anything on there, man, it all buttoned up. See all buttoned up on there. We got that grill back on there. What y'all see is from a distance. This is that grill back on there. And we got the top. Yeah, we got the top on there too. Yeah, ain't no leaks. Back on there. Y'all see it? Let's get down here. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see the motor running? You see that spinning? You know the motor running? Bottom radiator hose, good. Bottom transmission coolant, good. Bottom transmission coolant, good. Another job done. Another job well done. This your boy VA Behavior checking out with another video on the 2004 Ford Expedition 5.4 liter. We just changed the radiator and the thermostat. Holla at your boy VA Behavior. Tune in, I got more videos coming.